These are the Valkyries, Northeastern's ultimate frisbee club team for female and non-binary students. You're watching a B-team practice on Cutter Playground that took place on March 15th. After practice, I spoke with Jessie Barrett, a first year who joined the team last semester.
It's a really nice community. I'm on the B team, so we're a little less competitive than the A team. We have a lot of social events, our practices are fun, and good exercise. This practice was fun. It was our first coming back from spring break, so maybe a little rusty.